Myself, like many others in the past year, have purchased some type of air cleaner, air purifier. This is the unit that I bought. It's a Honeywell HFD 120Q tower air purifier. It also oscillates if you want it to. It is a 3-stage unit. Stage 1 is the washable pre-filter. Stage 2 is the permanent washable IFD filter. And the third is the electronic ionizer. Here is the exploded diagram of the unit. From right to left, you got the plastic rear grille, you've got the pre-filter, you've got the permanent washable filters, and then you've got the housing with the fans. Now, if your house has dust like mine does, being an old house, the pre-filter picks up a lot of particles, and that has to be cleaned regular. In this case, we generally clean it, give it a wash about every 2 to 3 weeks. And here's the screenshot from the manual that shows you how you're supposed to do it. But eventually, being foam, you can only clean it so many times before it starts to disassemble itself. So in the manual, under accessories and replacement filters, you can order a T.3024 pre-filter. Good luck trying to find one. They are made of unobtainium. You simply cannot find one. Also, with your purifier, you can get this other filter that's kind of like a charcoal filter. You get one with your filter that you can put in place of the pre-filter if you want. And here is the close-up of the label that's on that package. And here's the box that it shows you that you can buy a package of 2. Now, the problem with these charcoal filters is you can't clean them. When they get dirty, you have to throw them away. And for us, doing that every couple weeks, that gets expensive. So I came up with a way to add a regular house furnace filter onto the Honeywell unit. I went to Home Depot and I just picked up a cheap Rheem 14 by 24 by 1 air filter. It's got a rating of FDR 4. It's at the bottom level, but it covers everything that you need as far as filtering. And you take that and you set it against the back of the unit, and when you turn the filter on, you will notice that the suction of the fans sucking air in takes the filter, pulls it tight against the back, seals it quite well, and holds it in position. And if you've got stuff in the air like our house, after a few weeks, when you hold the filter up to the light, you can see that it is actually pre-filtering. In this next shot, you can see that you can either blow it out or vacuum it out, and it does a pretty darn good job. And you can take the filter, and when you put it on the back, if you choose to have it oscillate, we chose not to because we've heard problems of the oscillating part being all plastic going bad. But in this video coming up, you can see that it actually does stick to the back of the air filter unit, so it doesn't fall off as it is oscillating. And this is how we came up with a cheap, easy to clean pre-filter when you can't buy the factory pre-filter at all. And this mod also allows you to install some of the higher quality filters that do allergens, pollen, whatever. This mod just works. It just has to work.